This is crazy. Don't tell Instagram. Nah, you're just busted at the scene, Vicky. Nah, there's mad lizards, Diana.
Major facts.
Good morning.
Lord.
It's 7:21 on Monday, April 12th. Let me turn the radio down. I don't want to get sued. But my mom is dropping us to the airport. We're taking our first vacation. Not really post-pandemic, because the pandemic is still going on, unfortunately. But, you know, with the vaccine and testing, there's now like safe alternatives to kind of take our trip. My sister's birthday is next week. My other sister has spring break. So we took advantage of, you know, the little double event. And we are on our way to a top secret location. My mom does not care. So yeah, we'll check in when we get there. It was honestly hell getting to this point, but we got here. So yeah, I'm so excited.
It was hell getting
We'll see you guys there.
We out. Outside again.
At our gate. It was really easy getting through security and everything. That's like the easy part. So I'm just interested to see how getting into the country will be because of the COVID test and stuff, but we'll see. But getting through CSA and everything was maybe like 25 minutes. It was nothing. Let's touch down at the airport. How are they even there?
That's how it is, too. With the luggage.
It's the toast. Very nice and sweet.
We out.
Clear. Nice and smooth. Now you back.
We out.
We're in Puerto Rico. Who's playing Give In? Oh, no fear. It wasn't a bad, like, trip. We're really close to the beach. We in Puerto Rico, baby. Look at the beach. Just pulled out everything through her sock. I'm gonna blur it on YouTube.
So let me tell y'all what to do. When you want to smuggle marijuana into another place, these are cinnamon sticks. Okay? Hide the smell. You wrap it up in a bunch of plastic.
Where did you get the cinnamon sticks from? Your local grocery store?
My house. And then
You grow it at your house?
oh well, you could just get your cinnamon sticks at the local grocery store, like you said. Haitians always have cinnamon sticks. Feel me? Boom. Now unravel.
You're gonna ruin our trip.
Unravel. Unravel.
But you see, this is why Diana don't take it over.
Unravel.
Joking.
And here we go.
Nah, I'm thinking, yo, I'm gonna have to chill. I'm gonna get, you know.
Wait, oh, you got a
Feel me?
pronto? You got no
You only
bud?
bring this on the way back.
That's bud.
On the way there. You don't bring this on the way
pronto.
home. Because that's how you get fucked up. But weed's legal once again. So.
What have to do with me? Like, and then
Barbecue hot sauce.
there's a meal. All right.
What's that furry shit on top of your camera? It's freaking me the fuck out.
It's real official shit.
Her camera got a Wigiana. Wigiana.
So I was like, you dumbass.
Yeah, we f***ing lit. I'm on the third drink. I try to keep it classy. I can see it.
We are getting fucking arrested.
Play music.
This is why they don't get bitches balcony.
Yo, this is when the music comes in. We gotta start shaking our ass.
We fucking watching niggas walk up to Burger King.
Look at our view of the palace.
The Burger King. This is crazy. Okay, so night one is over. Had a quick end. Basically, we were going to go eat at one of my favorite restaurants, Raíces, in Old San Juan. But Puerto Rico's on a really, really strict curfew. Like, I don't know why y'all didn't tell me this. I mean, I guess I heard it, but it's really, really strict. Like, we were like, okay, everything's gonna close at 10. Like, that's not too bad. But it's more like people get arrested at 10. Like, you have to be back home at 10. So, Raíces, the restaurant we wanted to go to, took reservations at like 6. And like, it ended at 6. And we pulled up at like 8. So, we were pretty much asked out. So we ended up having to go to like a burger spot. Like, nobody wanted fast food on vacation, so that was pretty bummy. But whatever. So tomorrow we gotta wake up really, really early, like 5 a.m. to go to the island of Vieques. We're like taking a ferry there to go to a nice beach. And yeah, so that works, because that way tonight we could just go to sleep, get a good night's rest after traveling today. But yeah, like Puerto Rico is on lockdown. Like, you gotta be inside like Cinderella. Like, they're not playing games. Good morning. Sorry for the wait. Can one person sit in the front? Do you mind? Thank you. It is 6:03. No, waiting one more person. So do we put this on right now?
Yeah, you better.
Thank you. No, he was really like, put a shirt on. So we're here at the ferry. They told us to put some shirts on. So we had to put some shirts on. They have everybody like social distance. Say hi, guys. She's seizing.
Breastfeeding.
All right. Get the fuck off me.
Playa Negra.
Oh. Black Sand Beach? Oh, we go down those stairs? Oh, hell no, don't leave us.
Oh, shit. We're in the islands of Vieques. And they have like 800 horses out here. Just running free like dogs.
You guys got his number?
Yeah.
Thank God. Okay, it has to be safe or something. I don't think they'll have it welcome here.
That's why I told you wear sneakers. I read this.
Okay. No, because it's just that he left us out here and we don't know what's in the trees. But it's okay. Let us know.
Guys, the hike is always worth, the view is always worth the hike.
Okay, but we're not in America right now. So where's our hike guide?
I am the hike guide.
I'm the captain now.
I am the captain. I know what we do.
I don't know if I'm down.
Wait, guys, look. Just kidding. So,
Bitch, I'm your friend too, ho. Talk about look at your friend. Bitch, I'm your friend too.
you can tell Vicky's the only child.
Bitch, I'm your friend too.
No, you can tell Vicky's the only child because she don't even know that kids be like, get your mom, get your sister. Hopefully the view is worth this hike.
Oh my God.
It's an easy hike, but it's very secluded.
It's very secluded, very dangerous.
Very secluded. Like, I should have brought the piece.
Some pepper spray.
Oh my god.
It's like better.
Back hiking with Mariah Carey. Say hi, Mariah.
Hi.
Not you. This bitch.
Not Mariah.
Deanna be screaming.
Oh, high pitch.
Oh, that shit hit me. Ew, I see it. Ew.
Gotta calm my nerves.
I see no black shit.
Guys, Dookie. Dookie. I promise it'll be worth it.
Ooh, I believe you though. Good adventure group song.
Maybe like Whiskey?
No.
Damn, what is this?
What? Where we could sing.
What's that smell?
Oh, to
To
sing.
sing. We are the Tigers.
No, you usually say
No,
that.
we are the champions. Something like
Yeah,
that.
I'm not singing that with you. I don't know. Can't stop, don't stop, get guap. Toes in my toy flip flops. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one to RP up on a white tee. Nah, there's mad lizards, Deanna.
Major stop.
Nah, we've been walking for 40 days and 40 nights. This is crazy.
What's that? Oh,
It's something inside
just quit, guys. Just quit.
Don't go first.
Inside the holes?
Nigga, what the fucking lizard? You go first. You the tour guide.
It's not big.
But it was walking away.
Whoa.
Okay, let's just go past.
Go, Naja.
Wasn't big. How big was it?
Naja, what is that to the left? I kid you not. What is that, Naja?
Deanna, don't think. Oh, it's like a crab.
You didn't know what the fuck it was.
Oh, those are big ass crabs, yo.
Oh, where?
They're all over.
Run out of here.
No, don't run, don't run.
Dana, mad.
Oh, they're hiding in the holes.
You better run, nigga. You better run into a crab later.
Walk a little faster than this.
Okay, go. Because when you get fucking hit, don't.
Guys, watch this. I don't know if that's a crab.
Yo, what's the irony of just letting you show that dumbass video?
Oh my God, there's something else. It's a bunch of crabs on the side.
Yeah, it's just crabs. It's just crabs.
Oh my God, they make sounds.
Big ass crabs.
Oh my God, there's all those holes.
Dana's just
Yeah.
This is we're in there.
Please, I'm getting scared. I'm sorry.
Shut up, shut up.
We're serious.
I don't like when shit. No, I'm squirmy.
He would have told us if it was dangerous OD.
Look at that tell us shit.
That's right, Vicky. Dora the Explorer. She rolled her L.
Rather be in the front than the back.
Where's the door?
Word, fact. I don't know what's going on.
See this big
Everybody
ass.
do a quick smile.
No.
Yeah, they're just big ass crabs, but they're running away when they see us. They're huge.
Move
You
on.
need to hit the blood. Your anxiety up.
Oh, I'm good. I think
Your anxiety is up.
it's a big ass crab. Wait for it. It's a big ass crab.
Yeah, I don't want to go to the beach. Lucky we're wearing sneakers though. We're wearing sneakers.
Wait, where is it?
It's right there. Where? Right there.
Oh, guys, walk right past that little nigga.
Oh no, that one.
Where?
You don't see a big ass crab?
Yeah, they just right there. You better walk
Dana,
into it.
you gotta walk into it.
Oh, that one right there.
That one.
Are y'all making this? Oh. Him.
But animals don't bother you.
Oh my God, he looks like he's cracked. He looks like he's dead.
Oh, it might be dead.
He's dead. There's a bunch of flies on him. The ants is eating him. Yep. He's dead.
I'm so glad y'all are so brave. The fuck? Y'all brave by your goddamn selves. No, I don't want nothing. I just want to leave. This looks like it just got ash on it. We out. This looks like dirty sand water. We out. Nobody here.
Didn't say something but beach was
Except our dumbasses.
No, that's awesome.
See? Some people appreciate the arts
I love it.
and the nature.
That's funny. That's freaking.
At the beach. And we basically we're at the black sand beach in Puerto Rico on the island of Vieques. And we basically have the whole beach ourselves. It's 9:30 in the morning. And I'm just so happy. I feel so relaxed. So let's see what the water feels like.
Yes.
We're out down under. And we just got a report. Yeah, there's a large lizard crawling among us. And these niggas called me
Come on, no drag.
saying that there was a large dragon.
Back.
But we cannot locate the specimen
At all.
at all.
But here.
But
on this side, we'll spot the kimono dragon.
yes,
Let's go.
let's go.
I spotted right down there. My boy, my boy Stretch. Where'd you say you spotted it, Deanna? Now she wanna hide. Deanna!
Where is it?
Is it left? Is it east or west?
Not left, east, or west. My nigga.
Right there. You
Yeah, let's just act like we see it for the camera. Oh shit.
up. It's moving. You see it?
Yeah.
That's the mom, that's the dad.
Well, gnarly.
You probably can't see it, but he's there. He's hiding. He's there. Wait, what's that? Is that something? Is that a snake?
No.
That right there.
No.
No.
It's a rock. No, don't play with me. No, let's go. Let's get out these niggas' house.
It's so nice and secluded out here. There's a lot of animals. I like animals. Deanna is not happy about that, so she's screaming. But yeah, it's so nice. I highly recommend taking this trek. So I'll put more info about it down below. But yeah, so beautiful. All right, so we just finished having a lovely morning at the beach. It's only 10:45 and we ready. But we basically at the beach ourselves all day. The sun feels so good. And we have to take that hike back. So I think I'm gonna turn my Apple Watch on. So we're gonna go get food because we did not get food because we left like 5 a.m. But yeah, that's that.
We had this
And,
all of our bodies
yeah, we'll
were,
see you at the next
on, like,
place.
the third to last stage of getting.
Motherfucking Henny gone. Duce gone. Okay? They said the Duce just came and went. The Henny just came and it went. That's how you know hella black people over here.
Oh, they don't got Casamigos. What you gonna do?
So what hard liquor are we getting?
We're stressed. They got nothing left in the liquor store. We are stressed. Okay, let's try something new.
No, I'm trying nothing.
Let's try something new.
No. I mean, I do cognac. Cognac queen. What the fuck is that?
Like a brown tequila.
Let me help. This one is good as a reposado. As an añejo is fantastic. It's my favorite. It's the oldest tequila hacienda
I've heard of this one.
in Mexico, in Jalisco.
Get you pretty like. He's like, which one's this strong too?
Well, so they don't make them. They're really all about 80 proof.
Okay. Oh wait, 80 proof?
It's 40% alcohol. That's fine.
Yes.
No, it's fine. What you don't want is like a 151 rum or overproof rum.
That's fine.
So yeah, but
These are recommended.
you were right on Casamigos. Casamigos Blanco and Reposado are great.
Right.
This one, even the Reposado, I wouldn't drink it, but it's okay if you're just gonna do shots with salt and lime. Cazadores, even Hornitos Reposado, that's actually not bad at all with salt and lime and chilled.
Yeah.
But
What do you think
always,
about the 1800?
He didn't say Ferry.
Yeah, he's scared.
That's why he came and
That's why I asked.
Okay.
1800 which one?
He went around it.
So which one's the smoothest?
The 1800s are no?
so the smoothest is right here. This guy right here is the best. This is, in my opinion, has been the best tequila I've had in a long time, including
I've heard that.
all tasting even in Jalisco, Mexico. I still love this one the best, and it's all over, but it's also a huge in Mexico mostly on the West Coast. If they have Don Julio
They
Reposado,
violated it.
They did.
Who's that?
this one actually isn't that bad either. I've had this Casa Noble as well. It's not that bad, but it's really all the same price. If you're gonna get that close, I would do this one before this one.
Okay.
I would do this one before this one.
Gotcha. Okay.
Thank you
This
so
is my
much.
breakfast tequila in merit. Because they don't.
I know that's right.
Because they don't have herradura.
Yes, sir.
So this is breakfast tequila.
Thank you. We were in distress, so thank you very
He
much.
saved the On our way to dinner. We are so damn hungry. And Puerto Rico closes at 6 p.m. Hey, boo.
That's my fit. That's my fucking
I'm crying.
That's my fit. I'm fit for the fucking at least I'm not wearing it tonight.
So basically, everything is closing whenever it wants to close. It's the worst thing ever.
Absolute bullshit.
Like, we could show up somewhere at 7, and they'll be like, oh, we close at 7:30, but we have people waiting, so you can't eat. So it's like, how are you supposed to maneuver your life if you cannot, if you don't know, like, when you can get a table to eat anything? Like, it's crazy. So we're pretty much over it, and we're ordering food to go.
That's a big one.
Are you ready?
Cheers to Aisha getting here. Cheers to a Black Girl Magic trip. We about to have a lot of fun. Lady. Amen.
You guys just throw back. I'm about to put a DMX song over this shit. Aisha, show them how you babysitting.
No, maybe there's your own. I can't. If I get fucked up for no reason.
Chick, but they got big rocks. Bitch in the whip to the
Lukewarm.
At 9, you're on house arrest. Like, you cannot do nothing but be in your hotel room.
Whoa.
You can't even be on the roof.
Why did that turn off?
There's another mom.
I have one here.
Y'all want to see our ghetto view? Don't tell Instagram.
At least I can say I did it with no help. Bitch, I'm a little savage. I like the recognition.
I didn't like call her. Okay. I'm so excited. We're on our way to an adventure.
It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something? I'm trying to
Get your Puerto Rican butt right here, right now. An example, man. You're gonna lose every single shoe that you have. Everything you're gonna lose. The mud is this deep.
Stay out the water. Stay out the mud.
The mud is this deep.
Oh wow.
Wherever.
Oh, you went the easy route. You didn't want to wait for nobody.
You got all this space over here. You can walk.
Thanks, Jerry.
Look at that thing.
I did it.
Wonderful. Look at that. Look how everybody's following you now.
Sticky, where you going? Not the rocks, bro.
He said not the rock, sis.
I didn't want to get my shoe wet.
I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all I'll show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island.
Looking cute.
Little step. Very good.
Let's
Very
go,
good.
girls. Yeah,
I was like, no, seriously, like, it's really bad actually.
Feet firmly planted. I'm like, this is unregulated.
Why am at compass that I caught that? I knew that shit was gonna fall.
Yes, Vicky. Yes. Good job. Good job, Vicky.
Hi, my name is Steve Irwin, and we in the jungle.
Oh shit, I'm posting that. Ow! Not you throwing poison at me. Private poison ivy at me, bitch. Ew. Mushrooms. Yes. Not you poking your ass extra this time. Not you poking your ass extra. Oh shit.
I'm coming.
Come on.
I'm coming. He said this is natural outing. They feel good.
Vicky.
You lied? That's 31. You fucking.
No, damn. Oh, nah. I didn't think she believed me. This is a hike. Like hike. Like unregulated, like the government should intervene. When I get through this, I'll make sure nobody else has to go through this.